Welcome traders and investors from across the globe. This is Fugazi, aka Cryptomil 13, and as always striving to achieve absolute freedom. It's been a long time since my last video. I realized that. It's been a lot of stuff going on in my own personal life. Some of you may know I moved from the East Coast to the West Coast. You know, just things happening. But I'm back, and I'm back for good. This channel will continue to be about cryptocurrencies. However, I have decided that I will be including a little bit more of my own personal stuff. So you may see some videos that may not directly pertain to cryptocurrencies, but just to my personal life, because that's what I intended to do originally with this channel anyways. So, you know, so hang in there and check it out. You may like it, you may not. But again, this is my, you know, my channel where I will be talking about cryptocurrencies and my personal life, I guess my little adventures, if you wish, here in the West Coast. And as always, please do your own due diligence, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not follow any of the trades or, you know, trade moves that I make. I'm not here to give you guys advice, financial advice, or any kind of advice. This is, again, just my own personal journey through the cryptocurrency, you know, market. Again, do your own research. It is your own money. So I'm going to start off with some facts here, and the fact that obviously, you know, back in beginning of January, the market cap, the total market cap of the cryptocurrency market was over $816 billion, which 3 months prior to that, and back in October, beginning of October, the cryptocurrency market was at about only $146 billion. So we went from October, beginning of October, from $146 billion to only in 3 months all the way up to over $816 billion, which is, you know, it's just crazy. And you guys all know this. I mean, we went crazy at the end of December going into January, and then, you know, as we all know, we just started going down and down and down, and then we crashed, right? So at this point, today, the last time I checked, market cap is over 200 billion, so $202 billion. Which is still not too shabby, but, you know, obviously we had a big crash. And but with everything else, you know, if we were to compare this crash with the stock market crash, you know, we had one in 1929, which obviously started the Great Depression, and then back again in October of 1987. And then in 2007, when we had the subprime market, basically, you know, which sparked the global financial crisis at that time. And we have, as usual, bounced back, and you know, obviously, you guys know where the markets are, you know, after these crashes. So, and I'm thinking that's exactly what's going to happen with the cryptocurrency market. I know we had this huge crash, and you know, we're at just slightly above $200 billion, but I think we are starting to see a turn here, and I think we're going to start a bull run. We're going to see a bull run here soon. And you know, obviously with Bitcoin leading the way, all the other coins will be following, so to speak, because most of the coins are pegged against Bitcoin. So, and you know, Electroneum in itself, and you know, as I was saying, I'm still a big believer. I have not lost an ounce of faith in Electroneum, and in you know, obviously Richard Ellis as the CEO, and his team. And during my absence, there's been a lot of stuff going on. You know, they obviously secured a lot of MOUs with some of the mobile operators out there, and you know, they stumbled across some really, you know, some obstacles, and they are not only facing them, but they're actually solving the problems. that are holding them back from moving forward with these MOUs. And I'm sorry, moving forward with these mobile operators. And so one of them is obviously the KYC. You know, some of these mobile operators, you know, they didn't want to move forward unless Electroneum implemented some sort of a KYC, which they have. And another problem was, you know, the payment system, you know, because due to its nature, a blockchain, it was very slow in payments, and we see that in Bitcoin now. It takes forever for it to, you know, for the transaction to go through. Now with Electroneum's API, and you guys will find a lot of videos out there on YouTube. Go ahead and check them out. You know, it's a lightning fast payment system, which can be compared to the payment system of Visa or MasterCard or any of these, you know, payment systems that we currently have, and that opens up a whole new door for Electroneum. You know, it's very easy to use. The vendors download basically the application and are able to accept ETN payments right away, and the payment is verified directly, and there's no waiting or very minimal waiting, if at all. At this point, the price of Electroneum is fantastic, to be honest with you. You know, we are actually below the ICO price, the ICO price, you know, depending on when you bought it, but we're basically right now just a little bit below, you know, 0.007 dollars. So it's less than a penny at this point. It's a great buy. I am stacking up. I am continuing to you know, purchase these coins, and because I truly believe that at one point this coin will be much more worth than some of you guys even think. Okay, so again, with that said, you know, I think Electroneum continues to be a great buy. I know we came from a 23 all-time high. I think it was 23 cents, dipping way below a penny, and even back into the ICO prices. But that's when you buy even more, right? You don't buy at all-time highs, you sell at all-time highs, and you buy at lows, and here we are. That's why I am continuing. Again, this is my personal thing. You know, I am purchasing a lot more ETNs, and I'm holding on to them and see what happens in the next few months, maybe a year or two, and you know, just hang in there. And that's it for today. I'll be coming up with more videos here soon. I'll try to do at least a couple videos a month, maybe even every week if time allows. And like I said, it will not always be about cryptocurrencies, but it will include some of my adventures out there here in the West Coast, maybe camping or fishing and things like that. Okay. If you like this video, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hang in there, and don't forget to continue to strive to achieve absolute freedom.